Hi everyone, happy summer. I am the host and founder of a podcast called Light Up Vichwa. It's on conscious living and parenting, and it is also in two languages, in Urdu and in English. I have so far about more than 55 total interviews, 40 in English, 5 in Urdu, and more than 8 on TV or Skype, as you would say. So I hope those who are here for the first time, thank you very much. I would encourage you to subscribe, share, rate, and review. And those who are already following are subscribed, thank you very much. And I look forward to all of you to send your feedback, constructive feedback, and let me know what part of the program you like, which episodes do you like, and why. And I would like you to also know that you can listen to this podcast on iTunes, TuneIn, and Spotify, and also, of course, watch and listen on YouTube. You can find me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. So I thank you for listening and watching my podcast. And I hope to interact with you soon. I am bringing more programs, and stay tuned and watch out for live programs. So thank you and all the best.